Hello, in this Kotlin programming video, I am going to show you how to call a overridden method, like the original sort of super method from the parent class. So we've got I'm going to create a whole new method. So I'm going to create a method that we're going to override. So open fun, I'm call it hello, and all it's going to do is print line, and it's going to say hello there. And if I were to call this, so I will commentate everything else just so it's easy to see, and I'll say car dot hello, and if we run this, it says hello there. Obviously we've got the constructors calling the primary and secondary, but we can ignore them. So hello there. If we were to override it as we've done before, if you haven't checked out the overriding methods video, I highly recommend you do. So we are overriding the hello method, and in here we are doing print line. I'll say hello world instead. If I run that now, as you can see, what we get in the console is hello world, even though the function call has stayed the same, this part has stayed the same. So we overrid this method, or overrid this one with this one, it calls this now. But maybe we need to, call this one, but from here we need to call the original one as well. We need its functionality as well. You can do that pretty simply. So if in this method, anywhere here, you do super dot hello and run it, as you can see, we get hello world and hello there. So the super class, this super keyword, allows you to call the parent method, the base method that this method inherited from. So that's it. Nothing more to it than that. But if you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.